Welcome back to Pretty Boy Youngish. I'm with my main man again.
Cam Junior.
Right, so we are doing
The
radio again. You wanna tell them what happened last time when we started doing this? Because they know.
It didn't work.
No, your dad's car got hit, so you had to run off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had to run off our dad. It got hit.
So that's what's happening here. Let's tell them what's going on out there. Sukuma.
We got some parts.
Got some parts. You wanna tell them what parts they are?
I'm not sure, to be honest.
So we got some oil, some fan faro oil, which Cam
I
told
don't
me
know
to
where
get,
he gets them from.
and man filters. So that's what we're doing today.
Yeah, trying to get the radio in.
Not radio. We've got stuff to do to the car
As well.
as well.
Oh. Why is it making noise?
It's opening. Look, it's on that. So when it goes completely full, it stops.
Okay.
This is the main one.
Actually,
Fondi. Your name's gonna be Fondi from now on YouTube. Allah Akbar. That was not a good one. Usually straight out. So these are the filters we're putting in. The cabin filter, the fuel filter, and the oil filter. So what we're doing first is the oil filter.
Yeah, the oil filter. We need to sort out the oil maybe. I don't know. Not proper mechanic.
So this is the oil filter. And always remember, inside there's always a seal, a circle rubber seal.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's like that one here. That one there.
similar.
Yeah, but it's black.
Alright, press it. Let's go. And they talk. Yo, madness. Come close, man. Oh, you're too short.
Am I?
Yeah.
Go back.
Keep
then.
on pumping and then leave it.
Keep pumping.
What's this pumping have to do?
Sucking all the old oil out.
Yeah, sometimes they remove everything.
Exactly, because of the angles and this, that.
Oh, there he is. No, I need. There.
That's a good tool, you know. Oi,
What do you think I like working on my garage here?
this is why. Shall we tell them a talk? We already told them about this place. You know what it's called? Cam Motorsports. Cam's garage. Cam everywhere. And this is Cam Junior.
Yeah, come in.
Nani mo cutting your yako, man. Tell your dad to cut your hair.
Nah.
Dad's waiting for going in there. Dad's first.
Oh, your phone, oh, yo. Gee, you see, this is why I like coming here.
Why?
Because you know Cam, he treats my car like his own. Which is his? What's mine is his. What's mine is... No, you, when you get older, it might be yours.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe I might get a Lamborghini.
When it's a gear Cam.
Yeah.
Like, you see whatever you took out?
Yeah.
Put it back.
Are you done with it?
No, I'm just wiping away because your dad's wiping away. So I thought, let me be useful. That's what she said. So we're just doing some more wiring up. Mazzoline. Let's get this cracking. We're trying to kill two birds with one stone. We're doing a service over there. And we're wiring.
Bismillah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dad always says not to ever pour oil like that, you know? He always says don't pour it in such a way where it just flows like.
In
that
a
right?
sequence, yeah. But see now you're going to flash it everywhere. You see, it's flashing out. If my funnel was small, the oil would be everywhere. Did you put?
Skin are doing a way like.
Let's see if you got a red.
That's what you call flow, bro. Look at that. What do we call your dad?
Fundi.
There you go, bro. No, give me a second. Allah Khadim. Tell him, yeah.
To me not, to me no. Shimmy, I, shimmy, yo. And then what coming? Shimmy, I, shimmy, yo. Oh, hold that. Oh yeah, that is. Oh man, bro. That is. How much fuel are you going in the car? Diesel? Enough? Half tank?
Half time.
Okay, that's alright then.
Couldn't it?
I'm just asking.
Oh, that figure's gonna go.
Yeah.
Like just under half. Ay.
See, look.
So dirty.
But your diesel will never get dirty. If you see this, it's a good sign. Oh, but it was filthy. It was filthy. Now I hope the new one is good.
So let's show them what it's supposed to look like. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the moment where he tells you it's the wrong one, bro. This is made in Germany.
Nice, right. There's a super seal in there as well.
Hey, boy, there's always seals, brother. This is man filters, man.
Man filters, well, I don't know what.
Pandi Shirini, 3 of them. Somebody.
Is the keys in the ignition? They're in ignition? No. They're
They're
not.
the
The
top.
keys outside.
They're at the top.
The keys out, Ali.
Are you still recording that?
Yes, bro.
Yes, bro. Charlie.
Filter out.
No, the seal is good in that one.
Hakim.
Yeah, honestly, telling you, these don't never change these. If it wasn't leaking, don't change it.
Recording again. After
So,
that while.
the new rims are on there after
Yeah.
some complications. We've got new tyres. We're currently fitting the screen
Yeah.
and
Ali,
the cabin filter.
Ali and my dad.
Yeah, man.
Tell them how they're working.
Look at the dirt on that cabin filter. Show them. Chafu. Ay. My
Papa, your
man.
phone's getting wet.
Where's this one?
There.
It's in his pocket, bro. Ay. Give me the camera. Nip here. Astaghfirullah.
Give me a flat screwdriver.
Hold it.
Okay, let's go get screwdriver. Ayya.
We'll scratch one.
Okay, what one looks like a flat screwdriver?
Flat.
This one.
Bro.
That one, yeah, it looks
Wait,
good.
back seat. Back seat.
So hold
Cool, take it out, bro. It doesn't matter.
Okay, where is it? Same one.
Same one, bro. CK, sponsor me, ASAP. Roweka. I remember you know your dad? No, I can't tell you what he's done. His son.
What is it?
When he goes to see his friends,
Yeah.
he'll especially do this. Just so the car smells nice. You right?
No, two.
Taratib.
I'm recording you. Trying to open this packet.
Apple CarPlay done. Dusted after so long. We're shook, alhamdulillah. So what happens when you have good friends, they do you freebies, innit?
Spin on.
Hey, I'm better than how much, bro? Oh, man. So what we're doing right now, we are turning the service light off. Because we've carried out the service. Mwanangu.